Welcome to the Department of Occupational Therapy Classrooms and Teaching Labs at the University of Pittsburgh School of Health and Rehabilitation Sciences. The Riverside Classroom is designed with smart technology to allow for various teaching methods and styles. The classroom comfortably seats 70 students and can be reconfigured for various purposes. Storage cabinets provide space for teaching materials for use during lectures and labs. The two walls of windows award stunning views of the city of Pittsburgh. The student lounge provides a fully furnished eating and seating area for students to gather, study, and relax between classes. It is complete with microwaves, a cooler, storage for personal items, and university technology to meet students' IT and printing needs. The lounge connects to the outdoor balcony, which overlooks the Monongahela River and Hot Metal Bridge. The City View Classroom provides a visual connection to both the university and the city of Pittsburgh, offering views of iconic landmarks such as the Cathedral of Learning and the Monongahela River. This classroom seats 70 students and is equipped with smart technology. Modular tables and chairs allow for various layouts based on learning needs, as the activities you see here where students are learning to administer assessment tools like the performance assessment of self-care skills, dynamometry, and the 9-hole peg test. The Innovation Laboratory offers an enhanced learning environment for small groups and is equipped with smart technology. It can be easily reconfigured to accommodate multiple learning opportunities and provides storage for orthopedic equipment and lab supplies. Students are exposed to traditional and non-traditional splinting methods, such as the cutting-edge 3D printer, which allows for innovative splinting and adaptive equipment fabrication. The Skills for Living Laboratory is the largest teaching and training space within the department. This lab is connected to the City View Classroom to promote knowledge, skills, and application through hands-on learning. Skills-based laboratories center around client scenarios using bathroom, laundry, and kitchen areas designed to promote clinical and professional reasoning. Tables and chairs are modular and can be easily reconfigured to allow for different learning activities. Hospital beds and bedside treatment areas mimic the acute care setting. When combined with simulated lines, drains, and tubes, peer learning laboratories can focus on the use of clinic equipment and manual techniques for medically complex patients. The training apartment is one of two fully furnished and functional efficiency apartments within the department. This space is connected to the Skills for Living Laboratory to allow for inclusion and learning activities. It provides authentic kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living areas, including doors and windows to replicate the home environment. It also provides ideal learning opportunities for post-acute assessment and intervention skills. The Play Lab is the hub of pediatric practice. Students have unlimited access to pediatric assessments, such as the Brunick-Ozoretsky test of motor proficiency, featured here. Suspended equipment, such as the platform swing, allows for exploration and learning about sensory-based intervention approaches. The lab also provides ample space to design and test obstacle courses that promote motor planning and following directions while having fun.